Hello everyone. I promised I was going to create this tutorial for you all to watch and learn how I was able to do this. I know a few persons requested for it, so this is me granting that request. Now we have love is beautiful, beautiful background, and a really simple and nice design. Sorry. So the dimension used for this design was 3000 by 4000. It's a custom size. Okay, I use that particular dimension because I want the quality of the design to come out great when I download it and share on social media. So now let's jump right into the tutorial. What we will need for this is this beautiful background, this love photo, love element. It's the same thing here. This and this is the same thing. I just duplicated it and just adjusted it. So the bottom is showing and here is showing the top. And we'll also need element. Love, um, this love, the love you see here is a frame and not a text. But you can also turn a text into a frame. Canva has brought about that option. So if it's something you would like to do, you can also do that using font frame. There's a tutorial on that. I think I'm yet to post it, but I'm going to be posting it soon if I'm yet to do so. So go back to frames, search for under CO. You know what I love about frames? There are so many options here. We have numbers, we have letters, okay, from A to Z, different style. There's I think more than one. Different styles, A to Z. Go back and numbers too, trending, but you could just search for the particular frame that you want. Now I'm looking for letter L frame, so L is going to give me all these options: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a small letter frame and this is a capital letter frame. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 12 different kinds of letter frame. So that was how I was able to get letter L, letter O, letter V, and letter E. Okay, so now you know how I was able to get the frame. Now let me show you how I was able to do this. But before that, just watch this quick video. Some of you might be interested in the video, so just watch it. It's not going to take much of your time, and then we're going to come back to our tutorial.
Hello, my name is Kelechi and I am a Canva expert. I welcome you all to Canva Made Easy 2024. Last year's edition was amazing, but this year promises to be bigger and way much better. You are going to be learning how to create ebook covers, both front covers and back covers. You're going to be learning how to create design from scratch. You are going to be learning how to create presentations with Canvas AI. Isn't that amazing? There's so much more. You're going to be learning basic video editing, animations. Trust me, you do not want to miss this particular training. If you are interested, click on the link beneath this video and you get to communicate with me to get registered. Like I said before, you do not want to miss this. Canva Made Easy Training 2024 is going to be a bomb. See you there.
Okay, we're back. Now we have LOVE and this is it. Okay, LOVE and then this image. Now I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. Remember, I was able to get this by um going to element, search for letter L. Okay, this is the one for letter L. Okay, is one for letter L. Then change it to O, search for O. This is the one. I think this is the one for letter O. Okay, that's the same. thing here, and then change it from O to V, and this is the one I use for letter, this is letter V frame. Okay, and then the last one was E. This is the one we use for E. So now you know I was able to get this LOVE. So I'm going to clear this now that we've gotten our letter frames. Now this image, where is it? This was the image I used. Okay, I'm going to bring it up here. Now click on these three dots, go over to info, and you're going to see it. Happy Black Lovers Celebrating. Happy Black Lovers Celebrating Valentine. But if you just type Happy Black Lovers or Love or Black Lovers, you're going to see this image and so many others, just in case you want to use something else to achieve this. Okay, so what did I do? First of all, I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to drag this first one into L, letter L, double click on it, or you could just click on crop and increase it, increase it, increase it, increase it. Just make sure the measurement is fine. Okay, and then click on done. Just going to be sure we're on the right path. Okay, increase it. Then click on done. For the first one, duplicate this again and take it all the way to letter O, double click and watch the measurement, watch the measurement, watch it. Very, very important. Okay, watch the measurement, very important. And then click on done. Duplicate this again, bring this to letter V, double click, watch the measurement. You have to note how you're able to do the first one. Just make sure everything is looking good. This takes a lot to achieve, but click on done and then duplicate again, bring it to E, double click or click on crop and adjust. So we've done the same for LOV, then click on done. So now we have this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we're not done. So I'm going to lock this because if I try to drag this frame inside, it's not going to look, it's going to enter inside one of these frame and I don't want that. Okay, we've gotten LOVE, so I'm going to select all, no, not group, select all and then lock it. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to drag this one, increase it. Okay, it has to be the same size with all of these. I'm going to remove the background of this one. Okay, we have the background, increase, just going to make sure. this, and then bring this up. Bring this here. Do this, and then corner rounding around the image. Perfect. So as you can see, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking really nice. So now that we've gotten to this point, I'm going to unlock it, and then just copy this background, copy this and paste it here, and then copy this. It's beautiful. As you can see, the font, this is the seasons. Okay, the font is the seasons and it's italicized. Then copy this, paste it here. Let me show you the original image. I'm gonna duplicate this and bring it down here. This is the original image. Okay, so I just showed the top here and then the bottom was here. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So now we have love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. And that was how I was able to achieve this particular design. So you can try it with any letter. It could be family. Okay, you could do FAMILY and then show me what you come up with. So you could do family. You could just look for something and then work with it. So that's is the end of this particular video. I hope you learned something. And if you would like to take up the Canva Made Easy training, you can also send me a message. You can find me on Facebook, Caleb Austin, or search for just have a Caleb Austin on Instagram, on Facebook, or you can send a mail to okorieaustin@gmail.com, and I'll also drop the website, the sites where you can see more somewhere around this video. But if you don't see it, just contact me on other platforms. So bye bye and see you in the next video, or see you in Canva Made Easy Training 2024. Bye bye.